In this video, we're going to add some golfers to our golf course to have them look like they're actually walking on this particular course rather than some other course that we found. Let's jump in and take a look. All right, so in this video, we're going to cut these golfers out of this background. Let's kind of pull this up into place. Whoop. Grab our right layer here. Let's pull them up into place like this, and we're going to scale them down a bit. Make them look like the course is really huge. And I want to isolate these golfers so that all I see are them. I don't want this background at all. Now we're going to use the object selection tool to make that happen. So let's come up here and find our object selection tool. So instead of our quick selection tool like last time, we're going to grab object selection tool. And I'm going to drag with our layer selected here. I'm just going to start to drag around one of my people. And you can see here, if I click on this, if I click on the background, it looks like it highlights all the people. I just have to click. That's all I have to do. I don't even have to click and drag, nothing. And that looks pretty good right there. It's got them isolated already. And let's go ahead and make our mask. Let's see what happens if I go and mask my selection out. Of course, I cut them out instead of the other way around. So I'm going to go to my properties and invert that mask. There we go. So there are my people on the golf course. Now I kind of have to clean this up. So that's quick and easy. Grab my paintbrush tool. Come over here. I've got my mask selected. I'm going to make my brush nice and big. Just kind of paint some of this stuff out. Don't need that. Control D to deselect. And of course, I've got this here I need to paint out. So let's grab that, make sure it's on black. Hardness all the way up. Just going to paint that out like so. And just like that, I've got 5, 6 golfers walking on a golf course that they were never on. So I'm going to scale those up again. Looking good. Control D to deselect. So there we are. We've used our object selection tool to remove our golfers from our scene and put them into a whole new composition. And this is coming along really nicely. Next thing we have to do is add some flowers into the bottom of our image to finish off our composition. And then it'll be on to color correction and color and matching. So I'll see you in the next video.